Imagine turning any surface into an interactive touchscreen. Yeah, you heard that right. The Premiere 5 lets you swipe, tap, and play directly on a projected screen, like a giant tablet on your wall or table. Just connect the touch stand and boom, you're dragging puzzle pieces, sketching, or even mirroring your phone for a bigger, better experience. It's like magic, but with lasers, and hey, if you're as pumped about tech as I am, smash that like button and subscribe for more cutting-edge reviews. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next. Speaking of lasers, the triple laser tech here? Next level. We're talking 100 inches of pin-sharp, cinema-quality visuals with colors so vivid, they'll make your eyeballs happy. And the ultra-short throw means you can place this thing inches from the wall and still get a massive screen. No more rearranging your living room just to watch a movie. But wait, it gets smarter. The Premiere 5 runs on Tizen OS, so you've got Netflix, Disney+, Xbox Gaming Hub, and more, all built in. Plus, SmartThings lets you control your entire smart home from the projector. Adjust your lights, check your doorbell, even start your laundry, all without leaving the couch. Now, let's talk brightness. Ever tried watching a projector in daylight? Usually a disaster. But with Vision Boost, the Premiere 5 adapts to ambient light, cranking up contrast so you actually see what's happening, no blackout curtains required. Oh, and gamers, this one's for you. The AI Auto Game mode optimizes settings for RPGs, racing, you name it. Plus, the game bar lets you tweak aspect ratios, check input lag, and even zoom mini-apps. No console? No problem. Streaming games straight from the cloud is a button press away. Sounds just as epic. Dolby Atmos and Object Tracking Sound Light make explosions feel real, while Active Voice Amplifier Pro ensures you never miss dialogue, even if your dog's barking. And the design? Sleek, compact, and quiet. The solar cell remote charges from indoor light, so no more hunting for AAA batteries. Plus, auto keystone and autofocus mean perfect alignment and crystal clarity every time. So, is the Premiere 5 worth £1,199? If you want a projector that's also a touchscreen, smart hub, gaming rig, and cinema rolled into one? Absolutely. This isn't just tech, it's the future in your living room. Before you go, hit that subscribe button and drop a like if you're ready to ditch your old projector. Let me know in the comments, what's the first thing you'd do with the Premiere 5? Game, binge, or turn your floor into a yoga studio? Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.